number 11, that is practical geometry. So as you know, just see in your books, you can see here the very first topic is about the construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on a line. Through a point not on a line. For example, if we see here, suppose a line is given to us, we are taking a line. So a line is given to us. Now there is a point not lying on the line. So we can see here. So this is a line. Suppose this is a line L. Now we are taking this as a point B and this as point A. Now we have to draw a line which is parallel to this line L but passing from A. So what we have done here, we have taken a point A which is lying outside the line. Now taking a point B on the line, we are just drawing a slanting line from A to B, from A to B. Now, so take a point on point B on the line L. Now then we join B to A. Now with B as a center, now we are taking B as a center, then we cut an R. Okay, suppose we are cutting an R. Now we can see here. So taking B as a center, we are just cutting an R. Now taking the arc of the same length, now we are cutting it from this point A. Arc of the same length. Now then we see this difference, the opening, this opening. Now we are just marking this opening. Now when we are marking the opening, we have to be little careful, then only we will get a parallel line. So then suppose this is point B, now this is point C we have taken, this is point D we have taken, and this is point E. So now we, as we have seen, this arc is cutting the line L at the point C, and this line, that is AB at T. Now we are taking A as center, cutting the arc of the same radius, now marking this as point E. Now taking this E as a center and an arc equals to the opening, and an arc equals to the opening of this. So we are just taking E as a center, cutting an arc which is equals to this opening. Now you can see here. So let this point be F. Now we join this and draw a line through F. So this is our required line, which is parallel to line L and passing through A, and passing through A. So in this way we are getting a line from a point which is lying outside a line and parallel to it. So basically what we have done, we have taken here alternate interior angles are equal. So these are alternate interior angles are equal. So with this way we can draw or we can construct a line which is parallel to it. Okay. Now on the basis of this we'll solve the exercise now. Okay, now the second topic of ours is constructing a triangle when the lengths of all the three sides are given. Means when all the sides are given of a triangle, we have to construct a triangle. For example, suppose construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which it is given AC is equals to 7 centimeter. Then we have AB and BC. So AB is equals to 5 centimeter, and then we have BC is equals to 6 centimeter. So as we can see here, now so we have to consider a triangle. So it means first if we draw the rough figure, okay. So first if we draw a rough figure like this only, so we are just drawing a triangle like this ABC. So first we are drawing the rough sketch of it. Okay, suppose this is A, B and C. Okay, so if we put the values here, then we have here AC is equals to, this is 7 centimeter. Then we have AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Then we have BC is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, so now first we start with the BC. So we are taking a line BC which is equal to 6 centimeter, but here on the board I am taking this line more than 6. Okay, more than 6. So suppose I am considering this as BC which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to draw AB equals to 5. So what we are going to do? We are taking this B as a center and taking this opening, okay, or taking the radius as 5 centimeter. So with the help of the scale, so we'll consider the 5 centimeter. Okay, so I'm taking the more values. Okay, so approx I'm taking this as 5 centimeter here. So if I'm taking this as a 5 centimeter, so now taking B as center, cutting an arc on this upward direction equals to this equals to 5. Now we have to take again another radius of 7 centimeter, taking C as a center. So C as a center, taking as a 7. So taking as a 7 here. Suppose this is 7. So now, so from C taking a radius equals to 7 centimeter, cutting an arc, both are intersecting these arcs, so let this point be A. Now what we have to do, we have to simply add this AB and AC. AB and AC with the help of a ruler. AB and AC. Okay, so now this is equals to 5 centimeter and this is equals to 7 centimeter. So in this way we can form the triangle also. So what we are supposed to do, we have to first draw the rough sketch, and on the basis of this sketch we can easily solve, or we can easily construct the triangle. Means after drawing the rough sketch, it's easy for us to know that from which point we should start construction of the triangle. So you can easily try the first and the second exercise. Okay.